Hello everyone, I am Mahmoud Hassan, Data Science and Business Analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation. I am from May 2021 batch. This is my first task in this internship program, which is prediction using supervised machine learning. The objective is to predict the percentage of a student based on the number of study hours. Here at first I have imported the libraries NumPy, Matplotlib and Pandas. After that I have imported the dataset. The dataset contains comma separated values. That's why I have used the pandas.readcsv method. Here we can see the first few datas, and here the dataset contains two variables, hours and scores. The hours is the independent variable and scores is the dependent variable. To know more about the data, I have used the .shape attribute. Here we can see that dataset contains 25 rows and 2 columns. To check if there is any missing values, I have used isNull method, and it appears that the dataset doesn't contain any missing values. To know more about the data, visualizing is very important. So I have plotted the data, keeping the hours in x-axis and scores in y-axis. From the figure, a positive linear relationship between the scores and hours of study can be seen. After that, the dataset is prepared. I have splitted the data in x and y axis. The x is the feature matrix or the input, and y is the vector of prediction or output. For training purpose, I have splitted the data in two parts. The training set contains 80% of the data and the test set contains 20% of the data. After that, I have selected linear regression algorithm for training the dataset and trained the dataset based on the training sets. After that, I have predicted the data based on X test sets. Then I have plotted the data, plotted the training set and test set results. Here in the left side remains the training set results, and the right side is the test set results. The red dotted lines means the actual values, and the blue line is the regression line, which is the predicted values. Here the data, the test results and predicted results is compared in here. After that, I have evaluated the model by mean absolute error and R squared error. Here is the mean absolute error is 4.18, which means my predicted value is 4.18 more or less than the test set results. And here is the R squared scores, which is 0.94, which is not that bad. After that, our task was to find the score for 9.25 hours, which is 93.69. This concludes my task. Thank you for listening. If you have any question, please ask me.